Hi everyone, let's solve this question. This is a question which I have created based on the questions given in the GMAT official advanced question book. So let's go ahead and read the question. Students in a school can study maths or biology or both or none of these two. What is the probability that a student studies maths? Alright, and we are given two statements. Probability of maths union not biology is 0.8 and probability of math union biology is 0.75. Now pause the video, give it a try, and then let's try to solve this together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. So this is an interesting data sufficiency question. And before we go ahead and solve this together, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and supporting us so that we can continue bringing you good content. Let's get started. Now, the best way to solve these type of questions is try to visualize it. So we can visualize this in this manner as a Venn diagram. We have maths over here and we have biology over here. Now let's take a look at the first statement. It says probability of maths union not biology is equal to 0.8. And as per the question, we need to find the probability that a student studies maths or P of maths. This is what we need to find out. Now maths union not biology. So what area would be represented over here? It would be maths, which is this one, and not biology, which is anything outside this, right? So that would be this shaded part, right? You can see the intersected part is shaded because it's also part of maths and we have maths over here. And then this part over here is not included because we have not biology. And it's given that this over here would be 80%, right? So again, probability is nothing but this area divided by the total area. That would be 0.8. Now, only using this information, we cannot find the probability of maths, right? So statement 1 alone is definitely not sufficient. Now, what about the second statement? Let's try to visualize this. Again, we have a Venn diagram and this statement over here says probability of maths union biology is equal to 0.75. Now, what area would be maths union biology? So that would be this shaded over here, right? Area. Now, again, only using this information, we are not able to find the probability of maths. So statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Now, let's try to think of taking both these statements together. All right. Now from statement 1, we can know that this area over here, right, which is only biology, that would be 1 minus 0.8, right? 1 minus what is outside of this. So that would be 0.2, or again, it's 0.2 if in terms of probability, or if you want to think of area, that would be 20% of the area, right? So that's the only meaning of this, right? So this over here will have a probability of 0.2. All right. And as per the question, we want to find the probability of maths, right? So which is this one over here. Now we know that this over here, this one, right? This only this part, we have found it as 0.2. And we know that the total of these two together is 0.75. So we can find that this over here, this area over here would be 0.75 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.55 or 55% of the area, right? So the probability of a student studying maths would be this area divided by the total area, which would be 0.55. So yes, we can see that using both the statements together, we are able to find the probability of a student studying maths, and therefore the correct answer to this question is option C. All the best in your preparation.